In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage renewals in Pipedrive with ease. This process is not only straightforward, but also integrates seamlessly into your workflow, ensuring that renewals are handled effectively. Managing renewals is critical to maintaining ongoing relationships and recognizing opportunities for your business. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by going to the Deals section in your Pipedrive account. The Deals section is your go-to place where all the details of your transactions are centralized. Being comfortable navigating through this area is key to efficiently managing your pipeline. Once you're in the Deals section, the next step is to click on Add Deals. This allows you to input your new or recurring business opportunities into the system and keep everything up to date. Having all your deals entered accurately ensures better tracking and management over time. Now, you'll click on Import. This option is particularly useful when you have a list of deals saved in an external file, like a spreadsheet. Importing allows for bulk entry of data, which can save you time and reduce manual errors. Once you've selected Import, you're on your way to streamlining your process. After clicking Import, the next step is to click on Next. This action will guide you through the series of prompts that facilitate the seamless integration of your spreadsheet data into Pipedrive. This step includes previewing the data and making sure that everything is correctly aligned to the corresponding fields in Pipedrive. Following that, you'll want to click on Upload Spreadsheet. Here, you can upload your file, whether it's an XLSX or CSV format. Make sure your spreadsheet is correctly formatted, as errors at this stage can lead to confusion later. Double check your data for consistency and accuracy before uploading, as this will save you from potential issues. Another click on Next will assist you in mapping the spreadsheet data to the existing fields in Pipedrive, confirming that each piece of information goes to the appropriate place. This step is crucial for ensuring the integrity of your data within the system. When you've mapped everything correctly, proceed with another click on Next to review your data settings one last time before finalizing the import process. This review is essential to catch any discrepancies and verify that all your data will import correctly. Finally, click on Start Import. This finalizes the process of bringing your data into Pipedrive, where it will now be synced into your active pipeline for ongoing management. Once the import is done, click on Highlight to view your imported data. This helps you to see the renewals directly within your Pipedrive dashboard, allowing you to track, assess, and strategize for these opportunities effectively. Now you can see your renewals clearly laid out in your pipeline, ensuring you never miss another critical renewal opportunity again. As you continue to use these functionalities, remember that this process will become increasingly intuitive, helping you to manage your client relationships with ease and precision. Thank you for joining me today on this tutorial, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you work within Pipedrive.